இந்திய உணவுக் கழகம் விளையாட்டுத்துறை மூலம் கிடைக்கப்பெற்ற விருதுகள் இவை அனைத்தும். மாதந்தோறும் ஊழியர்கள் பயிற்சி முகாம் மற்றும் மாதம் இருமுறை தென் மண்டலத்தில் உள்ள 4 மாநில பொது மேலாளர் மற்றும் உயர் அதிகாரிகள் அனைவரையும் அழைத்து ஜோனல் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் ரிவ்யூ மீட்டிங் நடத்துகிறார் சவுத் ஜோன் எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ் டைரக்டர்.
Food grain is made to the state government. Since state government further they are distributing their the stocks to the general public through their PDS shops, fair price shops. So while delivering the stocks, generally the people do not know how the Food Corporation of India works. I just want to tell you about here that we are very cautious about the food, the quality of these stocks, which I am going to tell. Whatever the quality as per the Government of India specification, the quality stocks are procured. Then at the time of issue of stock, so not much people are aware of it, but I want to tell you very clearly that when we deliver the stocks, the representative of the state government agencies, they come over here, they pork each and every bag. They look for each and every bag, examine the stock, see whether the stocks fall in within the specification, bag to bag, not stack as a bag to bag. They check the quality. After checking the quality, they give us certificate. Then they weigh also. After weighment and checking the quality, they give us a kind of certificate that the quality and weight of the stocks have been checked up, and we are fully satisfied that. So for each truck or for each release order, the such certificates are tendered by them after satisfying them from the quality point of view. But now when the our role ends, when as soon as the truck goes out of our gate, now we do not have further control where the stocks go and where the stocks are stored. But we believe that the state government is taking all kind of efforts to deliver the same stocks which are lifted from the Food Corporation of India. There are general phenomena. The people think that whatever the stocks are found anywhere outside, this is belonging to the Food Corporation of India. This is very wrong and big notion, wrong notion among the mind of the people, which I want to clarify. See, the Food Corporation of India is the basic agency which is using their bags, the gunny bags, and our gunny bags can be found out in every house throughout the India. Anywhere you go, our gunny bags are lying in their houses. So if the stocks are lying in the Food Corporation of gunnies, it does not mean that the stocks are pertaining to Food Corporation of India, because we have already sold the food grains to the state government, and the state government has further taken the stocks to their godown, and after storing for a brief period, then they further distributed to the through the public distribution system. Our role is not there. As soon as the truck goes out, we do not know what happens to them. So we are responsible up to within our godown. When the state government representatives come and they give and they satisfy themselves about the quality, and they tender a certificate, yes, they are satisfied about that. But I also want to, through this media, electronic media, I want to invite general public to come to my godown, wherever our godowns are there, seek the permission of the manager depot who are generally there. They are most welcome. They come to our godown and see the quality anywhere. We are will be very thankful to the public. They can satisfy themselves that what kind of stocks are stored.
இந்திய உணவு கழகத்தின் பணி உணவு பாதுகாப்பது மட்டுமல்ல, தரமான உணவு தானியங்களை குறைந்த விலையில் பொதுமக்களுக்கு வழங்குவதுதான். ஏப்ரல் 14ஆம் தேதி மறக்க முடியாத நாள். இந்திய அரசியல் அமைப்பு சட்டத்தை உருவாக்கிய ஃபாதர் ஆஃப் இந்தியன் கான்ஸ்டியூஷன் பாபா சாஹிப் பாரத ரத்னா டாக்டர் B.R. அம்பேத்கரின் பிறந்த நாள். அவரது பிறந்தநாள் ஒரு சமூக ஒற்றுமை நிகழ்ச்சியாக இந்திய உணவுக்காக ஊழியர்கள் கொண்டாடுகிறார்கள்.
I feel that to say anything about Baba Sahib's greatness and what he has done to the society will, whatever you say, that will not be sufficient. The praise of the Baba Sahib can be compared with something which is being said in the praise of God. Everywhere, every Quran will say that if you are to make your God happy, you praise Him for full life, the way you like. You go to jungle, you don't wear clothes, you don't eat anything, you hang yourself on the reverse position, whatever you do, height and the stature of Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar. Whatever he has done to the society, it is unforgettable. He was from a very poor family, but I have read somewhere. His parents were very poor. Coming up like this and becoming the father of the Constitution of the India.
During the British Raj, as you might have seen, people were divided so much amongst them by way of caste, creed, religion, and the British rather took delight or rather instigated them to be divided so that they can never unite and come up together. But I find today, if you see, anywhere the function of Baba Sahib is celebrated, all the people, irrespective of caste, religion, everything, everybody is coming forward to celebrate. It shows that is a unity which he has created amongst the diversity of our nation.
இந்நிகழ்ச்சியில் திருமதி ஷைனி வில்சன், திரு ஜெயக்குமார், திரு கொப்பட், திரு இளங்கோ, திரு சின்ன குழந்தை உள்பட அனைத்து அதிகாரிகளும் ஊழியர்களும் கலந்து கொண்டனர்.